Hello, students. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to help you with this topic that is related about comparative and superlative adjectives. So please try to be focused. Comparatives. So comparatives are used to show the difference between two objects, two people. Okay. So whatever. Let's say that I have two cars. I have a cheap Chevrolet and a big BMW. Okay, a comparative is used to show the difference between the two. BMW is big, so we can say the BMW is bigger than the Chevrolet because the Chevrolet is small. So we can say the Chevrolet is cheaper than the BMW. To learn to use this, we need to learn 5 basic rules. Rule number 1, look at the picture. So if an adjective has one syllable, we add the ending ER to the adjective. So we have the adjective small, hard, so you just add ER. So smaller than. Always when you're going to compare, you need to use this connector than. Smaller than, harder than. Okay? Look at the picture. According to the picture, so we can say that the cat is smaller than the cow. Rule number 2, if a one-syllable adjective ends with a consonant plus a vowel plus a consonant, you must double the last consonant and then add ER. So, for example, the adjective is big or fat. So, it says that you double the last consonant, G, so, and then ER. So bigger than, farther down, okay? You double, farther down, okay? Always use that. Look at the picture. So the elephant is farther than the mouse. Look, rule number 3. If an adjective ends with a Y, remove the Y and add IER. Example, happy, funny. Just look, remove, to take out. So Y and put IER. Happier than, funny. Funnier than. Okay? So, according to the pictures, the girl is happier than the boy. Okay? Look at the picture. Rule number 4. If an adjective has 2 syllables or more without a Y, then add the word more before the word. If an adjective ends with a Y, you will only add the word more. If it has 3 syllables or more, okay, just pay attention. Beautiful. So you put more beautiful. That's it. More beautiful than. Always, because you are comparing to animals, okay? Or to people, or to things. So look, the adjective expensive, satisfactory. So more expensive than, more satisfactory than. So according to the pictures, we can say that the rabbit is more beautiful than the alligator. Okay? Than the alligator. Rule number 5. There are few exceptions. We have some irregular adjectives, so as good, bad, and fart. Okay, so we need those are irregular adjectives. So they are going to change. Example: when you're going to compare, you use good, better, than, bad, worse than, far, farther than. Okay, just keep in mind. Better than, worse than, farther than. Okay? Superlatives. Superlatives are used to show the difference between more than two objects of two people. Let's say that I have three cars. I have a little Chevrolet, a medium-sized Toyota, and a big BMW. Okay, a superlative is used to show the difference that it sticks in the group. The BMW is big, so we can say that the BMW is the biggest. Look, the BMW is the. Always, when we are going to talk about superlative adjectives, we need to use this, the indefinite article the. Okay? The biggest. The biggest. Because the Chevrolet is small, so we can say the Chevrolet is the smallest, biggest, smallest. To learn to use this, we need to learn 5 basic rules. Look at the picture. Rule number 1: if an adjective has one syllable, we add the ending. Okay? Just the ending est to the adjective. So we got the adjective is small and hard. So you just add est. So small is smallest. Hard, hardest. So according to the picture, the N is the smallest. The N is the smallest. Rule number 2. The one syllable adjective ends with a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. You must double the last consonant and add est. For example, big and fat. So you double the last consonant and then est. So the biggest, look, the biggest, double, biggest, the fattest, okay? Not the fattest, okay? Look at the picture. So the cow is the fattest. Look. It's like a balloon. Rule number 3. If an adjective ends with a Y, remove the Y and add IEST. Okay? IEST. That's the ending that you must put. So the adjective is happy and funny. Happy. Remove Y. So the result is happiest. Funny, funniest. So we need to put the indefinite article. The happiest. The funniest. Okay? So according to the picture, the wall is the heaviest. Okay? The well is the heaviest. Good. Now look, rule number 4. If an adjective has 2 syllables or more without a Y, then add the word must. No more, must. Superlative, must. Comparative, more. Before the word. Okay? Example, beautiful, expensive, satisfactory. So you put the most beautiful, the most expensive, the most satisfactory. Look at the picture. So the airplane is the most expensive. Okay? And finally, rule number 5. They are the same as before, the other adjectives, that they are irregulars, that they have a rule. You're going to talk about superlative comparisons. Okay? So, good, the best, bad, the worst, fart, the fartest. Okay? Just keep in mind that's really important. Thank you. See you.